Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on Target. Open the website at target.com, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or mobile phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see a Payments tab. Click on Payments. Then on the Payments tab, you will see a button that says Add a new card. Click on Add a new card. Now enter your card credentials such as the card number, expiration date, and the name on card. Then if you wish to set it as the default payment method, click on the toggle switch beside default payment. Lastly, select your billing address. If you wish to add a new one, click on Add a new billing address and follow the on-screen instructions on how to add a new one. After that, click on Save. And now your card has been added. That's how you add a payment method on Target. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.